Where are you going? You can't get up. Because you're not going to be able to walk by yourself.
I can walk fine.
You can walk fine? Oh, well, let's just lay here instead, okay? Huh? I said let's just lay here. No, we're gonna lay here on the couch. Not forever, just for a little while, till your medicine wears off. Yeah, it'll wear off by tomorrow.
What's wrong?
See, I'm talking silly, Nana. See, Nana?
Can you see me? Hi. Are you okay? Can you see me?
She's sitting on what?
Look.
You want me to sit right there?
Look at the lines here.
Really?
Look at the lines next to you.
They're really cool. What color are they?
Black.
Black?
That's cool. You okay?
Can I have a kiss before I take Uncle Robert to work? I love you. Hi, Zoe.
Hi, Uncle Robert. Have a good day.
I'll try.
No?
Where's my keys? Oh, through the car.
Yeah. You look tired. Are you sleepy? What am I doing?
Yeah.
Oh, nothing. I'm just sitting with you. Stop it.
You want me to lock it?
You can do whatever. Stop it. You don't want me to? I can't record you? It's gonna be funny when I show you later. Okay. Oh my God. What are you doing? Oh my God, Zoe. Now we're gonna do jokes?
Yes.
Hey, Zoe.
What's her?
Zoe. I can't hear you when you whisper. Hey, Zoe.
What?
How do you wake up Lady Gaga? No, don't do the video. You're making it zoom in. Crazy. Zoe. How do you wake up Lady Gaga?
But on her face?
But on her face?
No, butter.
Poke
But-
her face?
No, butter. Butter.
Butter face?
No. butter banana.
Butter banana. Lay down. Lay down and tell me.
Why was they afraid of 7?
You mean why was 6 afraid of 7?
Why was 6? Why was 6? 6 was afraid of 7.
Why was 6 afraid of 7?
Why was 6 afraid of 7?
Why?
I don't know.
What?
That's what it is.
It's just the trash man. He's just taking our trash.
No, serious.
I'm serious. The trash man's gonna take our trash. It's okay. It's okay. Lay down.
Why was 6 afraid of 7?
Why?
So that he could investigate.
So he could investigate? Okay. That's silly. Are you done being silly? How do you feel? You feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah? How was that dentist appointment?
Great.
It was great?
And it's scream.
You did scream a little bit. How was that stuff they put on your nose? Did it smell good?
Yeah, it was really good.
It was really good.
I'm so
No, you're not in the wheelchair anymore. They only had you in the wheelchair. Lay down. You don't want to fall. Oh, okay. I'll get it for you. Here you go. There's your bag. Nana took Uncle Robert to work. She'll be right back.
No.
Oh, the nose. Here. Look. Here's the nose. Put it on your nose. Show me how they had it at the dentist. Let me see. What is that? Does it still smell good? I love you. Zoe.
What?
I love you. You're my favorite girl. Well, la la la. Wow, that's so cool. Yeah, you broke the last one. That's okay.
Well, this is the second one. It's two
Okay. You feel good?
Yeah.
How do you feel? Do you feel silly? Hungry?
Just one part.
Okay. Okay, well,
My favorite part.
it's your favorite part of the movie? Okay, lay down and watch it. Lay down and watch it. It's okay. I love you. Quit saying I love you? No way. I'm going to tell you I love you forever.